So we have the Strike 4 papers here. And then I'm going to be using the rose gold, the coral, the silver, and the clear. And I've got them mixed together. I've got half and half of the rose gold and clear, half and half of the coral and clear, and then silver. And this is my beautiful model, Presley.
Hi.
Hello. And so she has some really pretty, beautiful curly hair. So we thought it'd be fun to put some bright pieces of color in. And so Presley is going to love this. And what's the amazing thing about this is we're going to be able to do it in just a few seconds. So here we go. We're going to show you how it's done. This is the coolest technique ever. Here's my fabulous client, Presley. Hello, Presley.
Hi.
Okay, so Presley has this beautiful, naturally curly hair, and she's got some blonde highlights in there. And so she wants something fun for the summertime, make her hair pop. And she wants to do it really fast because she's impatient and busy lady, right, Presley?
Right.
Super busy. Don't have time for this. So anyway, what you want to do is take your Strike 4 paper, and you're going to open it up and apply the hair inside. So as you can see here, I've laid the hair inside the paper. I've painted on my color, okay? And then you just fold over once, fold over twice, and then you're going to have your iron heated up, and you're going to make 6 passes up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So easy enough. And I'm going to go around and do that to each piece, and then I'm going to show you what we do after that. Okay, so I've ran my iron 6 times up and down over the pieces of paper, which just took me a few minutes. And then, so this is my trick to make this super fast. Now, at this point, you could take these papers out and you can shampoo the hair if you want to. If the person's in a super big hurry and they don't have time and they don't want to shampoo their hair, I have another trick. I did this on my hair. The color lasted for 4 weeks. I did the pink and it worked amazingly well. And it's just a super fast trick. So you can take a towel and lay it under here. Pull out your paper, your Strike 4 paper, and then take your water bottle. We all as hairdressers have a water bottle. And you're just going to wipe it out. Now this is a pastel that I made with, this one would be the, I think it's the, yeah, it's the rose gold, and I just kind of ran it out to a silver. Okay. And then this one, I'm going to pull this out, would be the coral. I just did straight coral on this piece. I'm just really going to work the color out of it with my towel. Use a towel that's okay to stain because you will get color stain on it. I save some of my towels for just these types of colors because of color stains. Okay, so you're going to spray those out. And after I finish spraying them out, I'll show you the finished product. So here we go. We just dried the pieces out a little bit with the blow dryer and touched them up with the wand just to match Presley's curls back. And what a great look. Very festival, Coachella type look, Presley thought. So she's liking having that summer type festival hair, and it looks great with her pretty waves. So let's get a look at the front. What do you think, Presley?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
And how did we do that so fast?
I don't know. Just the flat iron, like, I don't know. It's magic.
It is magic. And so everybody's got a little time for a little color, right? And I think it looks super cute. And like I said, I did the pink in my hair, and it lasted about 3 weeks. Now, that's not for everyone, but that lasted 3 weeks on me. And you see I have bleached hair. But I think this looks great, and it's fun, and it's quick. 20 seconds with the Strike 4 by Framesi, and then you can follow up using the Framesi products. The Color Lover is great to protect your color, and I used, again, the coral, the rose gold, the clear, and some silver. So I'm happy that Presley loves it, and I hope you guys can get the Strike 4 and try it out and make lots of money super fast and make lots of happy faces.